Yeah, nigga. Legit part 2, man. Man. I made one last time for these bum broke niggas, man. But you know, now I'm back, man. You know what I'm saying? That cuz of you know, chillin', you know what I'm saying? Let's easy do right shit, you know what I'm saying? 12th Street, baby. You know what I'm saying? 13th, you know what I'm saying? You know, man, you know how I go, you know what I'm saying? Keep it a lot on me, you know what I'm saying? Keep it a lot on me, you know what I'm saying? With dubs and shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Don't matter, man. I got a couple of little times in here, you know what I'm saying? Right here's my shooting and shit, you know, man. You know how legit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Put this shit in my pocket, I'm gonna leave eyes, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Leave eyes back, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This on YouTube, man, you know what I'm saying? You know how legit do it, man, you know what I'm saying? I do this shit, you know what I'm saying? Just cashed out, belly fit, white dude, you know what I'm saying?
Keep saying,
Like, you wanna fit, you know what I'm saying? You wanna fit.
So, yeah.
It's over.